So we got some snow. Not as much as I'd like, it never is. But I want to show you guys something. So those are Deere tracks. We've all seen those. Hard to see them because it snowed after they were back here. But I want to ask you guys something. Now we've got a lot of outdoorsmen, a lot of hunters, and I want to ask you something. But right now, let's get to plowing. What do you think? I'm going to disconnect the trickle charger and do a cold start on the tractor. I like to run the glow plugs just a little bit longer when it's cold. Then I'm also going to adjust the box blade. I want it to be able to scrape with both blades. Ready to go. Thanks for joining us. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, we would be so grateful if you gave us a thumbs up right here. Thanks so much. So I wanted to ask you guys this. Tess and I have noticed over the years that It seems like before a major weather event that the deer will be very active the night before. Seems like they're looking for food and so on and so forth. Is this something that you guys have experienced too? Because I just find it fascinating that how do they know? Do we know how they know? Is it the barometric pressure, or in what way do they know that there's weather coming that's probably going to force them to bed down for a certain period of time, so they're out trying to gather food? I find it fascinating. Just wondering if some of you guys know.
Yeah, changing the angle on the box blade really worked well. They are calling for some lake effect snow coming, let's see, this is Saturday, so coming on Monday. And it looks like it might be substantial. To do is to almost use the front bucket like a bulldozer. Just have it in float, and I'm going to push it just to where the street starts, because this way I don't have to dump the bucket each time. Alright, now I can go out in the street and bank it. push some of this snowbank back, especially if we're going to be getting more snow. Yeah, stick with me. I want to show you. Stick with me. I want to show you actually a Christmas present that I got Tess. My wife is, she's a little different. She's not like a lot of women. I mean, I'm not saying she doesn't like jewelry and clothes and stuff. She does. But the way to her heart, I'll tell you, is just celebrating some of her passions, gardening and being outdoors, and she always calls the deer her friend. She just absolutely loves the deer. So this gift celebrates that, and you guys are going to reap some of the benefits of it. I think you're going to like it. Hey, here's what I wanted to show you. This is the Flex M trail camera. Now, we've had a bunch of different trail cams before. This one's really unique in that it sends your photos and videos right to your cell phone, right over the cellular network. It also, now you could operate it just on a bunch of AA batteries, but we elected to buy 2 of these batteries, which are rechargeable, of course. And then, of course, we could just swap out the batteries. It's free. You're allowed up to 100 photos a month. I don't remember how many videos. But also, if you wanted unlimited amount or more than that, then you can join their plan, and it's ridiculously inexpensive for what you get if you love critters like we do. So again, you guys are going to reap the benefits of this because we're going to be sharing some of the photos. As I said, around here we've got deer, we've got turkey, we've got fox, we've got rabbit, and a bunch of smaller critters as well. Did have a black bear cross the street a couple years ago, but I don't know that that's going to happen again. Yeah, but as I mentioned, my wife's a little different. She always said, her and I are the same actually. On Christmas, this was a Christmas gift. We always tell each other, I want toys. I want something I can play with. And this is going to give her a lot of years of joy. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had fun like I did today, and I always do snow plowing and being with you guys. God bless you, and we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.